First question number 66 onwards. Now, the first priority was the second priority was. Now this must be under first priority because no other parameter is added to this one. And at the same time, now the 7 movies released in a week starting from Tuesday to Monday. Now whenever these days were given, the first choose call, starting and the ending. Sometimes he will start with Monday to Sunday or Saturday to Friday and so on. Hence, first Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as well. And 7 movies were released on these 7 different days of a week, starting from Tuesday and ending on Monday. Then coming to condition number 1. Now first information chapter, 3 movies are released between Z and P such that Z is released before P. Now Z is released before P. How many movies in between these two? There are 3 movies. Now in between Z and P there must be exactly 3 movies. And movie Y is released exactly between Z and P. Y is exactly between Z and P means between Z and Y there is 1, again Y and P there is 1. And movie F and P are not released on consecutive days. And next one, movie M is released before D and more than 3 movies are released between them. More than 3 another. More than 3 kapte em vastundi cheppandi? Now it's here. Now let us take the possibility of this one. More than 3 in the sense, that means 4, 5 and so on. Now if M is at this place, that is one such a possibility. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it 4? Hence D will be here. And at the same time, and what is the other possibility we have? And M is at this place and we can have D at this place. And next one, what is the next possibility we have? M is here. Obviously D must be here. Then next one, and more than 3 movies are released in between them. Movie G and Z are not released on consecutive days. Then what is the other possibility we have? We are left with Z and P. Now can we have Z at this place? Z unte 1, 2, 3, Z, P and D must be in the same place, not possible. Hence Z cannot be here. Then, can we have Z at this place? Now if Z is here, then Y is here, then P will be at this place. Then, again coming back to this one, can we have Z at this place or not? Z and 1, 2, 3, and P will be here and Y will be exact in between. Now in this case, between Z and P, where is Z here? Z is at this place. And so 1, 2, 3 and P will be at this place. And if P is here, Z will be here. Y is here. Then, and movie Y is released, 3 movies, Z and P such that Z is released before P, Y is released exactly between Z and P. And movie F and P are not released on consecutive days. F and P are not released on consecutive days. In this case, F and P not on consecutive days is ruled out. Isn't it? And next one, in this one, F must be at this place. Now in this one, F can be either here or here. There are 2 different possibilities. And next one, F and M. And movie M is released before D and more than 3. And movie G and Z are not released on consecutive days. G and Z. Hence G must be either here or here. Is it possible? Not possible. This case is also ruled out. This is also ruled out. Then G and Z are not on consecutive days. G is here. And if all the movies are released in English alphabetical order, from Tuesday to Monday. Tuesday to Monday in the English alphabetical order. Tell me what is the order we have? Now starting with what? Starting with D. D is first one. F. And next one G. And next one M. And next one P. Y and Z. Now in this one, how many movies remain on the same day as before? Same day then on the? No. None. That is choice 5, question number 66. And which among the following movies released immediately after Z? Immediately after Z, then F, that is choice 3, question number 67. Then 68, find the odd one out. M and F, there is exactly 1 in between these two. Y and P, exactly 1 movie released. Between G and D, 1 movie. Z and G, there are 2 movies released in between, that is choice 4, question number 68. Then 69, which among the following movies released on consecutive days? M and G, ruled out, and Y and G, yes, consecutive, that is choice 2, 69. Then 70 movie F was released on which day? F was released on which day here? F was released on Thursday, that is choice 3, question number 70. Then 71 onwards, so how many such pairs of letters are there in the word? Now tell me how many pairs we have? Segregation. S-C-G-R-E, ama chesharu idi? S-C-G-R-E-G-A-T-I-O-N. Now in this one, how many such pairs of letters are there starting with S? And there is no letter more than this one. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Ma E to N unda leda? E to N. Next one G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. And next one R, no letter more than this one. E, F, G, H, I. E to I undi kadam. And F, G, H, I, J, K. G, H, I, J, K, L. A, B, C, D, E, and so on. And next one, how many pairs we have? As of now, we have some 2 pairs. Then again in the reverse order, N and O is one such pair. NO, PQRSTUVXX. And O, IJKLMNOPQ. And T, no letter more than this one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G, H, I, J, K, L. E, F, G. E, F, G, there is one more. E, F, G, and that's it. Clear? And so how many pairs we have? 4 pairs altogether. And 4 that is given in choice by question number 71. Then the next one 72. Now in this 72, they are based on coded inequalities. Then D and B, the relation between D and B, and D is here and B is F equals to D equals to S. Ante kada? F equals to D equals to S. Now in the place of F we can directly take D. Then D lesser than and lesser than or equals to means D lesser than B definitely true. Saripindi kada? Then coming to the second one, X and F. Now X and F equals to D equals to S undi. Avuna kada? Mari ekkada mana ee rendu equal cheyali cheppandi? X and F and F equals to S kada, in the place of S we can directly take F. Then now between these two, which symbol is common? Greater than or equals to. Hence both the conclusions are true, both 1 and 2, that is given in choice for question number 72. And next one 73. The relation between X and B. X is here and B is here. B greater than or equals to Q means Q lesser than or equals to B. 1 greater than, 1 lesser than, 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. And next one E and Q, E and Q, and E and Q. Now B lesser than or equals to, B lesser than or equals to Qn, and B lesser than or equals to E, B lesser than or equals to E, and at the same time B greater than or equals to Q means Q lesser than or equals to B. Hence Q is either lesser than or equals to E. It doesn't mean that it is always equal. And so what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2, choice by 73. Then 74, and the relation between H and J. Now H and J, now J is here and H is here, K equals to H kada, and K equals to H, and the relation between H and J. మనం ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం? And K equals to H, in the same place of H we can write it as K. H and J, J ఇక్కడ ఉంది. J ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి J తో రిలేషన్ ఏదైనా ఉందా? J to Y. J to Y, Y lesser than or equals to J. మీకు దాంతో రిలేషన్ ఏముందో మనకి Y lesser than or equals to J. There is no relation between, link between these two. H and J మనం కలిపే ఛాన్స్ ఎక్కడైనా వస్తుందా మనకి? And next one O and J. Now between O and J, O equals to W, J in these two places, Y and A. And here again there is no relation. Hence what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2, choice 5. Then 75, Q and E. Now Q is here and E is here. Which element is common here? X greater than or equals to Q. X greater than or equals to Q. Then now Q and E we need to find out the relation here. E is at this place. My E at this place means Q, X greater than or equals to Q, and B greater than or equals to Q means Q lesser than or equals to B. And again B lesser than or equals to what? B lesser than or equals to E. Now the relation between Q and E, if you take, there is 1 greater than, 1 lesser than, 2 opposite symbols, and no relation. Hence what is your answer? Neither 1 nor 2. అదే మనకి ఇక్కడ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఇలా ఉందమ్మో, అప్పుడు ఇలా లెస్సర్ దెన్ ఉంది, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? దెన్ ఇట్ వుడ్ బి ఎయిదర్ ఆర్. దెన్ and 75, choice, what is the choice we have? Choice 1. Choice 1 అవుతుందా? అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా. The next one is 76. Now in this 76, the relation between B and E. D greater than B means B lesser than D. And again B and S. Now the relation between B and S equals to M equals to E, and in this case let us take and E. S equals to M equals to E, B and S. B is here. Now in the place of E, let us take S. This goes together. And S equals to B outundi. Can B greater than S is false. And so what is your answer? Only one follows 76, that is given in choice 5. Then in this 77 sequence, what is the position of this euro with respect to the element which is fifth from the right hand? Fifth from the right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this one, what is the position of this euro? Where is euro here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 28th from the left hand. Now 28th from the left hand, that is choice 4, question number 77. Then 78. And if all the symbols are removed from the above series, then which of the following element is 19th from the left? 19th from the left without the symbols. Now count chain 19th from the left without the symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19th from the left hand side, what is the element we have? Q, that is choice 3, 78. And 79, which of the following element is exactly between 8 and hash? Now between 8 and hash is here, and where is 8? And 8 is here. Now between these two. Then tell me which element is exactly between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 ఉంది. 23 ఉంటే మనం ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? 12th element. And 12th element ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that is C. And C, that is choice 279. The next one, 80. And how many numbers are there? The question is about number which are immediately followed and preceded by letter. అంతే కదా? కనుక letter, number and letter ఉండాలి. Directly let us start with the number. Number తో start చేద్దాం. Now letter, number and a letter. And next one, number తో start చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. And next one, number. Letter, number and a letter. And next one, and again. ఇది అవుతుందా? ఇది కూడా అవుతుంది కదా? A3 and P. A3 and P. This is one more. Next one, anything else we have? 8 కాదు, 1 కాదు, 4 కాదు. And so many we have all together? There are 3, that is choice 1, question number 80. 80 it is choice 1. Then 81st, and find the odd one out. And this odd one out, S2 and D. The relation between S and 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 3 plus 3, N's plus 2 plus 3. And U, C and A. Now in this U, C and A, U and C plus 2, and 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Now plus 2 plus. B, Q and percentage. Now B, Q and percentage plus 2 and plus 3. 2 and 3. Then 8, 1 and H. Now in this 8, 1 and H, now 8 to 1. How many elements? Plus 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. And so what is the odd one we have? Choice 4. Except in choice 4. And in the remaining terms, the difference between the elements is 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. But else here it is 2, 4, choice 4, 81. Then 82. 82. How many meaningful English words that can be formed or not? And tell me how many meaningful words that can be formed? And arrangement. 1, 3, 6, 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what are the letters we have? A, R, G, E. A, R, G, E. As is there any word that can be formed? R, A, G, E, race. Inka? Gear. Isn't it? G, E, A, R, gear. Then, what is your answer here? If X is no such word, then which are the following and can be found? And mark K as your answer if more than one such word can be found. More than one such word, K is your answer, that is choice 282. And 83 onwards? Now 83 onwards, there are some 10 persons, isn't it? 10 persons are scheduled to attend the event on 13th or 24th of 5 different months. May to September. May to September, isn't it? May to September. ఇంతవరకు మనం ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ వదిలేదు కదా, isn't it? Then 83 to 87. Then if you check for the remaining questions మనకు కొద్దిగా దీని మీద ఈజీ ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? ఇది కూడా మనకు ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలోనే వస్తుంది. ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ దట్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి షిఫ్టెడ్ టు ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలో ముందు చేయాలా వెనక్కి చేయాలా? ఇంకా మనకు రావాల్సినవి ఏమున్నాయి? కోడింగ్ డీకోడింగ్ రాలేదు, అండ్ సిలాజిజమ్స్ రాలేదు, డైరెక్షన్స్ రాలేదు, బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్స్ రాలేదు, అవునా కదా? ఇవన్నీ కొద్దిగా ముందు చేసే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది కొద్దిగా వెనక్కి పెట్టుకోండి. Done? And so what are the questions we are keeping this one aside? 83 to 87. 83 to 87 అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు పక్కన రాసుకోవాలి 83 to 87. And what are those questions 83 to 87? And 10% and 5 months అంతే కదా 2 days. Then next one 83 to how many questions were there 87. Then 88 onwards and it comes in which category? Set of numbers. Now set of numbers చెప్పండి. If we interchange the first and the second digits of each of the number, then which are the following will be the lowest among them అన్నాడు. మా లోయెస్ట్ అంటే ఏ బేస్ మీద మనం నెంబర్ హైయెస్ట్ లోయెస్ట్ చెప్తాం బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ అంతే కదా. నా విచ్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ సెకండ్ డిజిట్. నా అమాంగ్ ద సెకండ్ డిజిట్స్ నౌ వీ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద లోయెస్ట్. మా లోయెస్ట్ ఏముంది 8 9 7 5 8 విచ్ ఈజ్ ద లోయెస్ట్ 5 అండ్ 558 దట్ ఈస్ చాయిస్ 5. సరిపోతుందా. సెకండ్ డిజిట్ ఏమో ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్లోకి వస్తుంది అందుకు సెకండ్ డిజిట్లో ఏది లోయెస్ట్ ఉంటే దట్ విల్ బి ద లోయెస్ట్ నెంబర్. చాయిస్ 5 క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 88. Then 89. If all the 3 digits of each of the numbers are arranged in ascending order within the number, the digits are arranged in the ascending order, then all the numbers are arranged in decreasing order, then find out which is third from the left or not. Third from the left or third from the right is one and the same. అంతే కదా. Then ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నాడు చెప్పండి all the digits are arranged in the ascending order. That means starting digit will be the lowest digit. Lowest digit ఇక్కడ ఉంది 4, ఇక్కడేమో 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 5 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 6 ఉంది. వీటిల్లో థర్డ్ ఏమొస్తుంది 2 3 and 4 485 ఇస్తాం. మన సరిపోయిందా 485 that is choice 1 question number 89. The next one 98. Now in this 90 if we subtract 1 from the third digit and then interchange with the first digit, then which number will be the greatest among them? ఓకే. అండ్ ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్ -1. మనకి 5 - 1 ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇది 4 వస్తుంది, ఇదేమో 2 వస్తుంది. అసలు చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు ఎలాగో మనకి -1 అన్నింటిలో కామన్గా అవుతుంది. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఏది హైయెస్ట్ ఉందో అదే అవుతుంది. నా 5 3 4 8 and 6 హైయెస్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది 550 అండ్ 558 8 - 1 ఎంత వస్తుంది 7 వస్తుంది. ఆబ్వియస్లీ దట్ విల్ బి యువర్ ఆన్సర్ దట్ ఈస్ చాయిస్ 2 క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 90. Then 91. Only 3 questions given under this one. Now in this, there are 8 members in the family and with 3 generations. There is no single parent in the family. That means there are 3 generations and at the same time there is no single parent in the family. D is the mother of O. D is the mother of O, which implies that now D is your mother of O and this D got married to someone and that person is also alive. Ante kada? And another parent is single parent another. And D is the mother of O and P is the niece of C. A is the mother of M and B has only 2 married sons. Now B is having only 2 married sons, isn't it? One more, and this B is having 2 married sons. Saripinda leda? Hence, where should this be? B is at this place, the parent of this one. This person is having 2 children. Saripinda leda? B is having. Hence, altogether, how many couples we have? 3 couples. 3 into 2 6, and there are 2 more persons. And P is the niece of C annum. As P is the niece of C, P is the niece of C and D is the mother of O. D is the mother of O, P is the niece of C, A is the father of M. This A is the father of M. And B has only 2, O is the grandson of B. O is the grandson of whom? B. N is the sister-in-law of C annum. N is the sister-in-law of C ante N ikkada ravali. And sister-in-law of C means C is here. As C is here and C who is the father of O? C is the father of O. సరిపోయింది కదా. Then ఇంకా మనకు కావాల్సిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ P is the niece of C, hence P will be here. P is the niece of C. And next one, A is the father of M. As A is the father of M, hence A must be here. Father of whom? Father of M, M is here. And B is a female. Then A is the father of M and B has only 2 married sons. O is the grandson of B, O is here. Now the genders of all these persons were determined or not? Then how is O related to A? That means A's son's son. Son's son is grandson. Grandson choice 1 question number 91. 92 who is uncle of O? O's uncle is Japanese father is C, C's brother. That means father's brother, uncle, that is choice 3. 92 choice 3. And who is the daughter-in-law of B? B's daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means son's wife. Either D or N. Either D or N, both 1 and 3, choice 5, 93. And 94, how is M related to D? D is husband's brother. Husband's brother means spouse's brother, brother-in-law, choice 3, 94. Then 95 onwards, directions. Now in this, a person walks 15 kilometers north from his home and stops at point A. Now let us take A is the starting point here. From here, a person walks how many meters? 15 meters. 15 kilometers towards north from his home and stops at which point? And stops at point A. Now this person stops at point A another. And what is the starting point here? H is the starting point is home అనుకోండి. Home ఇక్కడైతే ఇక్కడ నుంచి నార్త్కి ఎంత ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు 15 and reached to which point? And reached to point A. And then he turns to his right and walks 20 kilometers. From here, he turns towards his right hand side and walks for how many kilometers? 20 kilometers. And stops at which point? And stops at point B. And he further turns towards his left and walks for 25 kilometers, left hand side and reaches to C. And what is the distance this person has traveled? 25. And reaches to point C. Then from C, he turns to his right and walks 15 kilometers and stops at point. From here, 15, and he stops at point D. And from D, he walks towards south and walks 40 kilometers. 40 means 25 plus 15, 40, that means, and in line with the H. And walks from D, 40 kilometers and reaches to point E. That means H and E are in a horizontal straight line. Then what is the distance here? 20 plus 15, 35 is the distance. Now this is 20 and this is 15. And finally, he walks 15 kilometers towards his right. From here, 15 kilometers after reaching E, and and stops at point F, and this person must be at this point. And right hand side. Then what is the shortest distance between A and F? Now we need to find out the distance between these two. 20 and 15. 20 square is how much? 400. 15 square, 225. Sum of these two, 625. 625 is 25, choice 395. Then 96. And on which direction is D with respect to his home? D with respect to his home and D. Now in order to reach to D from H, I need to move towards north and east to northeast. Clear? North and east to northeast, choice 1, 96. 97, what is the total distance he travelled? Now total distance count chestara and start counting here. 15 plus how much? And 15, is 40. 15 plus 20, how much? 35. 35 plus 25, 60. 60 plus 15, 75 plus 40, 115. 115 plus how much? 115 plus now 15. And 115 plus 15, that is 130, choice 3. Must have been the 97? 97, choice 3. Then 98. Which of the following does not belong to that group? Hence A and F. A and F, that means A is to the northwest of F. A is towards which direction? A is to the northwest of F. F దగ్గర చూసుకుంటే ఇది north and west, northwest. And B, what about this B? And B is to the northwest of E. And again D and B. And D is to the northeast of B. D is to the northeast of B. And so what is your answer here? Choice 3. Except choice 3. And in the remaining, the first person is to the northwest of the second person. And C and F చూడండి, sorry, C and F మనకు ఒక్క నిమిషం. C and F, they are in a vertical straight line. And E and C, they are again northwest. And so what is your answer here? C and F. Except choice for the remaining are in a north and west or north and east. But here they are in a vertical straight line. 98 and it is choice 4. And 99. And what word mean nothing? Nothing ante meaning em cheppandi. E gets marriage and C gives marriage gift and they gives nothing. Now they gives an undi. They and gives undi kabatti first dentlo చూడాలి. నథింగ్ అనే వర్డ్ ఎక్కడ ఏ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉందో దాన్ని చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ దే గివ్స్ నథింగ్ కాబట్టి దే అండ్ గివ్స్కి మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఏమైనా వస్తుందో. అండ్ హీ గెట్స్ మ్యారేజ్ గిఫ్ట్ అండ్ సీ గివ్స్ మ్యారేజ్ గిఫ్ట్ ఉంది కనుక గివ్స్ అనే దానికి మనకు వచ్చింది. కానీ దే అండ్ నథింగ్ ఇంకెక్కడ మనకి రిపీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు, అవునా కదా? రిపీట్ అవ్వట్లేదు కాబట్టి మనకి అండ్ వాట్ విల్ బి యువర్ ఆన్సర్? ఎయిదర్ 2 or 3. అంతేనా? 99, 2 or 3. మీ కోడ్స్ కూడా చూడాల్సిన పని లేదు, ఎందుకు మనకి ఎయిదర్ ఇంకెక్కడా లేదు మనకి. Okay, hence 99 it is choice 1. Then 100. Now this 100 in a row where all the persons are facing towards north. A is 15th from the left. A is here. Now this person is 15th from the left hand side, means there are 14 persons to the left hand side of A, and B is 19th from the right. And 5 persons in between A and B. How many persons are there in the row? Now how many persons are there in the row here? Chesaru andaru? And those the answer. 30? 39. అందరికీ 39 వచ్చిందా లేదా? And now here in a row, A is 15th from the left, B is 19th from the right. B is 19th from the right, and how many persons are there in between these two? 18. And how many persons are there in between these two? 5 persons are sitting between A and B. A ki B ki measure of 5. And 14 plus 1 15 plus 5 20 plus 1 21 plus 18. What is your answer? 39. Saripenda 39. Saripenda. Then now let us take B and A like this. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి. ఇలా ఉండొచ్చా లేదా? 5%. And A కి left hand side ఎంతమంది? 14. 5 plus 1 6 plus 8 14. And B కి right hand side 18. 5 plus 1 6 plus 12 18. Now ఈ సెకండ్ కేసులో ఇచ్చిన కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే లేదా చెప్పండి? మరి సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యే లేదా? A is 15th from the left. 8 plus 1 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. సరిపోయిందా? ఇక్కడ కూడా A is 15th from the left సరిపోయింది కదా? And B is 19th from the right. 12 plus 1 13 plus 5 18 plus 1 19 సరిపోయింది కదా? అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా 18 plus 1 19 సరిపోయిందా? A కి B కి మధ్యలో 5, A కి B కి మధ్యలో 5. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 8 plus 1 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15 plus 12 27. మరి ఆన్సర్ ఏమవుతుంది? 39 27. ఎందుకు 39? 27 ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి 29. And how many persons could be there in the row? Could be there అనే వర్డ్ పడాలి. లేదనుకుంటే cannot be determined is the answer. Then how many persons అని డెఫినెట్గా చెప్పలేము. either it can be 27 or 39. Hence ఇక్కడ cannot be determined ఇచ్చుంటే బాగుండేది మీకు. అప్పుడు అందరూ చాయిస్ 3కి వెళ్ళేవారు. అమ్మా? And B is 19th from the right hand. In a row where all the persons are facing north, A is 15th from the left hand, B is 19th from the right hand. And 5 persons between A and B. B who sits to the right of A. Clear? Now information, what is information provided here? B is to the right of. Now what is the necessity of providing this information, Japandi? Enduku icham. Now if this information is not given, there are two different possibilities. Hence according to this one. Kanaki ee type of questions manaki ela undali Japandi? This condition should be given. If that condition is given, straight away cannot be determined. Then కనుక మనకి ఏం చేయాలి చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ మనం చూడగానే మనకి 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తాయి. ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి? 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ వస్తున్నాయి, సింగిల్ వస్తున్నాయి. ద మిడిల్ నెంబర్ 5 ఈజ్ లెస్సర్ దెన్ ద రిమైనింగ్ 19 and 15. యాజ్ 5 ఈజ్ లెస్సర్ దెన్ బోత్ దీస్ టూ, దేర్ ఆర్ 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్. మనం క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం మొన్న ఈ మధ్యలో. అవునా కదా? 6 పాసిబిలిటీస్ రాసుకున్నాం. 6 7 8 9 10 దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ చేసాం. And similarly here again, whenever the middle number is lesser than both the remaining 2, then 2 possibilities. And if it is equal to or greater than any one of this one, then you will get only 1 possibility. Here B sits to the right of A, we are taking this one, or else it must be cannot be determined. Done with this? Then how many persons are there here? 39, that is choice 300. Now we are left with one more set. మిగిలిపోయింది కదా మన సెట్ అది. And what is that set we have? And 83 to 87. Now ఏ సెట్ మిగిలిపోయింది? అది ప్రతి క్వశ్చన్ మనం చెక్ చేసుకోలేం. అందుకు ఇంతకుముందు రాసింది చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఆ రఫ్ పేజ్లో పక్కన రాసుకోవాలి. 83 to 87, 10 persons, 5 months and 2 days. Then let us start with this one. Question number directly 83తో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాం. And there are 10 persons here and different months, May to September. May, June, July, August and September. Hence May to September, May, what are the dates we have? 13th to 24. May 13, May 24. And next one, June 13, June 24. June, next July. Now July 13, July 24. May, June, July, August 13 and August 24. And next one, September. Now September 13, September 24. And how many were there all together? There are 10. May, June, July, August and September. August and September. Then according to condition number 1. Now first చెప్పండి. 4 persons are attending the event between H and Z. Z who attends the event in the month which has 30 days. Z attend in the month which has 30 days but not on an even number date. But not on an odd number date. That means now how many persons between H and Z? There are exactly 4. And Z attend in the month of In the month of what? 30 days. 30 days ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది ఏం చెప్పండి? September and this one. Hence, Z can be but not on an odd number date means Z can be either on June 24th or what is the other possibility we have? And September 24th. Hence, there are two possibilities here. And again, how many persons are there? There are 4 persons in between Z and H, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the first case, H must be on September 13 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, H must be on July 13. And the number of persons attending the event before H is same as after R. H and R. H is second from the bottom, R is second from the top. Here H is 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, R is fifth from the bottom. Hence H and R must be in the same in the second case. And next one, W attends the event immediately after S. W is immediately after S and S and W immediately after S who attends the event on May 24th. S is on May 24th is clearly given. Is it possible in the first case? In first case, S and R must be in the same place, not possible. Hence, S is here, and if S is here, where should this W? W must be on June 13th. And K attends the event immediately before T, and both attend in different months. K is immediately before T, and both different months. Hence, where should this K and T? K is on August 24, and T is here. K and T. Next one. And only one person attending between T and C. Now between T and C there must be exactly one. M attends before P. P who does not attend the last. And M attends before P. M attends before P means M is here, before P, P is here. Then, అందుకే ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీలో లాస్ట్ పెట్టుకోమను. ద డిఫికల్ట్ అయితే ఏం కాదు కానీ బట్ వేరే దీనికన్నా ఈజీ వెనక ఉండే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. అండ్ హూ అటెండ్స్ ద ఈవెంట్ ఆన్ జూలై మంత్. నా జూలై మంత్లో ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నది చెప్పండి? H and R. H and R both 1 and 3, choice 5. And how many persons are attending the event between W and the one who attends the event immediately after C? Immediately after C, ఎవరు చెప్పండి? K. K కి W కి మధ్య ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? There are 4 persons, choice 2, 84. Then, next one 85. On which date, month and date P attends the event? Now P attends the event on June 24th. 24th of June, that is choice 3, 85. And the number of persons are attending the event before R, same as after whom? Same as after H. అంతే కదా, మనకి పైన ఇచ్చారనుకుంటా కదా కండిషన్. అండ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సన్స్ బిఫోర్ హెచ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఆర్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ హెచ్ చాయిస్ 4. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, విచ్ ఆర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఫాల్స్? W attends immediately before S. W is immediately after S. Immediately before S is definitely false. అంతే కదా. Then next one, C attends on August 24th, that is again false. Hence both 1 and 2 ఉంది కదా, both 1 and 2, choice 5, question number 87. Modern 87 choice. Now this is about paper number 255. Clear?